What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little bit different video. We're actually gonna be finally removing the bed off of the old Cummins. As you can tell, she's a little bit cooked. When I bought this truck, I actually bought it just like that. I like this truck because it's a 5.9 Cummins, 6-speed 4x4. That's gonna be today's video. Removing this old bed. I still don't know if I'm gonna get another regular long bed or possibly put a flat bed. We'll see what happens, or make my own. I still don't know. Let's get to it. First things first, gotta remove all this junk that's in there. Take it off, get ready to remove this bad boy. Alrighty, so we're here set up. So pretty much I believe it's 4 bolts on each side. Fuel filler. I'm gonna take off the bumper. You don't need to take off the bumper, but I'm just gonna take it off so it can make it easier to pull up. The hitch can stay. And I think there's a ground strap right over here on this side. Yep, it's right there. And pretty much what I'm gonna do, just loosen everything up, and I'm gonna tie that bad boy to the tree, lift her up with some straps, and drive her out. I'll probably do it back there, so it can stay back there. I guess this is gonna be a new chicken area. I don't know. We'll see what we do with this bed for sure, but let's have at it. So we just removed the bumper. It's just a bunch of 15mm bolts. There she is. Remove the tail lights, tailgate. Just trying to make this very light so I can lift it up as easy as I can. Next up is remove the 4 bolts on each side and the ground strap. And I've already removed the gas, the filler. So that's already loose, ready to roll. And yeah, let's get moving. So we removed all bolts. Everything is ready to go. As you can see, I can lift it by hand already. But what I'm gonna do is some contraption with the tree, but I'm gonna do it back there so I can just lower it right there. Don't have to move it. It's not gonna be in my way. Camera rolling. We got all these ports. Oh man, it's gonna look so good. This bed is horrible. I've been running like this for like over 3 years already, and it's bad. So it's time for some change. So we got this bad boy lined up right now. As you can see, there's the bed. Damn, I'm dirty. There's the bed, everything's removed. I'm gonna go ahead and start strapping it up to this tree. As you can see, there's a pretty big bark right there, tree branch. It should be able to hold it. I can lift it up by my hands. It's not that heavy, kind of uncomfortable to lift by yourself. So I'm gonna do a little mechanism there, some straps, put it as high as I can, drive it out, done. So hell yeah, I'm so happy. I don't know why I haven't done this in so long. This bed is definitely a conversation starter, because I don't know what the hell happened to this. So it has, as you can see, a dent here and on this side. So I don't know if a tree fell on it or what the hell happened to it. It's time for a change. I need a much cleaner setup. And yeah, so let's go. All right, boys, we successfully took off the bed from the truck. There she is. Oh man, it's been way too long. Look at this bad boy, still sitting up in the air. This actually was pretty easy by myself. But look at her. She looks so much better now already with all those dents and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead, get her over there, get the pressure cleaner out, and give her a nice, good old wash. Maybe give her a spray or something. I do have a gooseneck attachment coming, so makes it a lot easier to put on, that's for sure. So hell yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna film the rest, but let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, I want to either put a flat bed or just put a regular long bed. I don't like crazy looks, right now it's sitting on 37s, but yeah, there she is. Shoo, buddy, man, she looks good. Oh yeah, she sounds good too. I'm gonna go ahead, get her washed up, Hey, maybe I'll rock it like this for a bit. Maybe I'll go ahead and get some, make my own little custom bumper with some tail lights, just for now, till I get my bed. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I went ahead and cleaned up the frame and actually spray painted like a satin black, just so I can give it a little bit more paint. It did have some surface rust, but she's ready to get a bed, flat bed or a regular bed. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see, and till next time, see ya.